It's a beautiful sunny day in Great Falls. Hey everyone, I'm Shannon with Visit Great Falls. This is What's Up Wednesday, where we look ahead to events happening the rest of this week and into early next week. Coming up tonight at Magpie, this one's for all the anglers, lovers of fly fishing. It's called The Fly Project. It's a film they'll be showing tonight at Magpie, all about fishing. We want to give a big shout out and congratulations, best of luck to all the Special Olympics athletes who are competing in the regional games at Memorial Stadium this Friday. And then right here at the Electric City Speedway, more than 70 years of dirt track racing continues, kicking off the next season with Montana Spring Roundup this Friday and Saturday. They're here putting some final touches on the stands and the track, gearing up for this next season of dirt track racing. Nearly every weekend, all throughout the summer until about Labor Day, you can catch racing right here at the Electric City Speedway. It's a busy weekend at Montana ExpoPark, a lot happening in varying buildings there, including the Great Falls Auto Parts Swap Meet, the Great Falls Custom Car Show, the Gun and Antique Show, and the Wedding Dress Pop-Up Sale. All of that happening this weekend on the grounds of Montana ExpoPark. And it's been more than 200 years since Beethoven wrote his Ninth Symphony. Now the Great Falls Symphony, bringing that to life again inside the Mansfield Theater, along with what they're calling a wall of sound from a choir to go along with that as well. And then a 44-year tradition in Great Falls continues on Sunday as we welcome in spring. It's the Icebreaker Road Race, a 5-mile, 3-mile, and 1-mile option for you there, or if you're really ambitious, all of them. Some people do that. Runner's World magazine actually named the Icebreaker one of the top 100 road races in the country. That's coming up this Sunday. For more on things to do beyond a Sunday, looking into the summer, we have all of it at visitgreatfallsmontana.org. You can also check out our podcast, We're No Damn Experts, and we're on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. We'll see you here soon.